If you are suffering from hair loss, you are definitely not alone. There are millions of men and women of all ages who experience this problem all over the world. That said, today I have some good news for you. In this video, you're going to discover a simple yet effective remedy that you can use to stop hair loss while at the same time promoting hair growth. Before I get into the remedy though, I want to let you know that no amount of remedies or potions can help you if you do not take the necessary steps to protect your hair from damage. This means that you should only use natural and chemical-free products, you should refrain from using hair dryers, curling irons, etc. and make sure that you're getting adequate amounts of vitamins and minerals such as biotin, zinc, and vitamin Bs. Now let's talk about the natural home remedy that you can use to stop hair loss naturally and promote hair growth. This remedy is the onion juice for hair growth remedy. Now there are hundreds of YouTubers that actually swear by this remedy. But why does onion juice help with hair growth? Well, there are a few reasons why onion juice can provide you with amazing hair growth results. Firstly, it is rich in dietary sulfur, which is a key ingredient in the optimal production of proteins and enzymes. This means that onion juice plays an important role in the development of new hair strands since the protein keratin is made from sulfur, which is in the onion juice. Secondly, onion juice is a rich source of antioxidants. So by adding this to your scalp, it helps to protect your hair from free radical damage, which could otherwise worsen your hair loss. So now let's talk about how to use the onion juice hair growth remedy. Firstly, you'll need a blender or a grater, a cheesecloth, coconut oil, and a mason jar or just a container that has a cover. Now here are the steps to prepare your onion juice. Step 1. If you have the blender, chop about 3 large onions and place the chunks into the blender. Now add about 3 tablespoons of organic coconut oil to the onion chops inside the blender and then blend it until you have a thick liquid. Step number 2. Pour the onion juice and the coconut oil mixture into the cheesecloth over a bowl and strain the mixture. Step number 3. You should now have a clear liquid that you can store in a container with a cover. And step number 4 is a bonus, is that you can add an essential oil to mask the smell of the onions. Now let's talk about how to use the remedy. Step 1. Firstly, you'll need to wash your hair with a mild and preferably organic shampoo to remove dirt and grease from your hair. Step number 2. Using a cotton ball or dropper, add the onion juice you just prepared to your scalp and use your fingertips to massage it in. Step number 3. Put on a shower cap and let the onion juice stay in your hair for at least 60 minutes. Step 4. Wash and rinse thoroughly. And that's it. Using this remedy, a lot of persons have reported growth of up to 2 inches in their first 30 days. However, if you wish to see similar results, you must be consistent with your application. For best results, it is recommended that you use this remedy a minimum of 3 times per week. Thanks for watching guys, and make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more hair growth tips and solutions. By the way, we have done an extensive review of the top hair growth products on the market. Check out the links in the description below to see the ones that made the top 3 best hair growth products of 2020. Again, thanks for watching guys, and see you soon.